This is the Leatherman Signal, and this is a tool for outdoor adventurers. When we came up with the Leatherman Signal, we tried to hit a fine line between having a tool that was practical for the everyday adventurer, but also give them the additional security of having the features to get them out of a jam if they found themselves in a precarious situation. So some of the most fun stuff for me to work on were absolutely the new features for this tool, and some of the key new features were the fire starter and the whistle and the knife sharpener. A whistle in itself is not a new idea. People know about whistles, but how are we gonna put that in the signal tool in a way that you can use it easily and not lose it? So there's a mechanism here that's a spring that retains the part from the inside. You can only get this out from the inside of the tool, so when the tool is closed, you have no chance of losing it. We had a frequency and a decibel target when we started. What we ended up doing was trying to make a reasonably high-pitched sound so that it would carry and pierce through a natural soundscape, but also giving it a little bit more low end so it would carry a little further. This type of fire starter rod is a material called ferrocerium. It's not actually flint, which is a misconception. You can have harder or softer ferroceriums, and the harder materials will last longer, but they don't provide as much of a spark. The softer materials will really gob up and provide you a lot of flame, but they don't last as long. So that's the trade-off. We ended up tipping the scale pretty far towards a softer element that if you were really in an emergency situation, you would prefer to have that. And this is essentially a curved diamond file, and the profile of the curvature here was designed to match the profile of the serrations, so that if you were really going to be in the woods for a significant amount of days and this was going to be your only tool, you would have an avenue to sharpen up not only the flat part of your blade, but the serrations themselves also.
This is the Diesel. The needle nose pliers on this tool are extra long for versatile use and include a wire cutter. There's a robust saw tool, a partially serrated knife, and a full-size file. The stainless steel Diesel also holds a Phillips driver, with 3 separate sizes of flatheads, scissors, and a can and bottle opener, all of which lock into place for safe application using Gerber's patented Safety Plus system. This is the evolution of Gerber's iconic military-issue multi-tools. Built in Portland, Oregon, this is the Diesel.